Hello and welcome to COM 712 Quantitative Analysis and Communication. It's Dr. Spates giving you your final weekly checklist. It's week 18 and we have made it to the end of the semester finally. We are all done. We've had several breaks in between the semesters, so that's what's kind of given us an extension here into mid-May. But as we wrap things up, we are ending early, and so the fun part of this week's checklist is that there really is no checklist. We are at the end. Your papers are not only done and submitted, but they are now graded. So I want to let you know that you can go and find your comments as well as your scores on Blackboard. And in addition to that, all assignments that have been submitted are graded and posted. So you can check Blackboard for the unofficial posting of your grades. They will be officially posted on May 21, 2018, where they will go to your My Missouri State on your official transcripts. And so right now your grades are available. If you have any questions, as always, please contact me. We can meet in person, by email, or by Zoom conference by the app. But if there are no questions and you're all set, please pat yourself on the back and allow me to congratulate you on at the end of a successful semester. I want to thank all of you again for your patience with me and for your willingness to take moments to learn quantitative methods of communication in the online format, which is not easy. And so I am very proud of all of you, and I enjoyed reading your papers. And I hope that if I run into you or see you again in another class, that we'll have a chance to just catch up and say hello. But if you're done with the program, then congratulations, and I wish you all the best post-graduation. Have a great week 18 and a great summer, and take care.